Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your live location on Snapchat. Okay, so I'm in Snapchat camera. What you have to do, just go to your profile. Okay, here scroll down until your location. Okay, here tap on sharing location. Okay, now you will see ghost mode. Just make it enable. Okay, now you have this pop-up. You can select 3 hour, 24 hours or until turn off. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can turn off live location on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.